Gut. Und nachdem wir jetzt
Alright. Now that we've finished all the steps properly, we're gonna do a last test. This is how it works. You place a piece of paper or something similar in the middle of the collector field and put a fairly heavy weight on it.
drauf.
Our finished collector should easily withstand the test. For larger collectors, it is possible to use some other weights. So, wow, our solar collector is finished. Thank you, Charlie, for showing us all these different steps so wonderfully. Yeah, you could use this now to, for example, heat a swimming pool or something like that. Yeah, have fun building it yourself. Thank you for watching our series, How to Build a Solar Thermal Collector.